in Sundarbas and other places, there's 5 levels of smaran, simple smaran, and then dharana, and then dhruvanusmriti and samadhi. There's different levels. So first of all, the mind has to become pure. That's why we're chanting. It's the most powerful way to purify the mind. It's a holy name. So the smaran, we practice. We just practice whatever we can for a short, an occasional remembrance, or whenever we can.
Yes.
Because smaran, it's a byproduct of purity of consciousness.
Yes.
So some people from last life, they have very highly developed and pure in consciousness. So then they can easily more do smaran.
Yes.
It's a practice, but it's not because it's not like some scientific
Yes.
formula where you do 1 + 1 is 2. And it's because when I asked my teacher about this, he told me, he said, he quoted the Bhagavad Gita, and he said, Sarvasya Chaham Radi Sanivishto, 15:15 of Gita. Matas Matir Jnana Aponam Cha. He said, from Krishna comes remembrance. This is a basic answer everyone gives, even in the highest level of, Babajis, when you're being trained in smaran and discussing with the Guru, he says that it's Krishna's mercy, and he said you have to pray that you can remember more.
Yes. Yes.
Prayer is our constant companion, no doubt.
Yes. To add in this, like with the prayers and the smaran comes.
Well, you're practicing. Practice makes perfect.
And practicing and how to develop.
Because all those sadhakas that have nothing to do, their main seva is smarana anga. It's called smarana anga bhajan. Their main seva is smaran. Smaran can be done with japa or without japa.
Yes.
There's different ways it can be done. You can chant japa and try to remember, or you can just read and remember.